Are you ready to take your car to the next level? Let me introduce the BONOSS Toyota GR Corolla wheel spacers. As a top brand focused on optimizing the safety and performance of wheel spacers, BONOSS has been dedicated to cutting-edge design and meticulous manufacturing since 2007. With rich manufacturing and trading experience from measurement to design, from production to testing, from packing to sales, BONOSS promises to deliver the most professional and high-security products and service. The BONOSS Toyota GR Corolla wheel spacers have global patent active cooling design. The Toyota GR Corolla wheel spacers are designed with heat dissipation grooves to make brake cooling better, distribute in pattern shape. These grooves allow the external cold air to flow continuously inside the wheel spacer when it rotates. The air takes away the heat, so it achieves the purpose of actually dissipating heat for the braking system. And the BONOSS Toyota GR Corolla wheel spacers are all forged. The manufacturing process of forge made the internal structure of the spacer denser and firmer. Meanwhile, the material used is aluminum alloy, and they have two types of materials you can choose. One is aluminum alloy 6061T6, and another is 7075T6. The aluminum alloy 6061T6 for daily driving, and 7075T6 for racing, drifting, or extreme driving. And the BONOSS Toyota GR Corolla wheel spacers match ISO grade 10 lignite. The machine lignite use 40 chrome material by continuously forging process and match the ISO grade 12.9 wheel stud. The machine wheel stud use SCM 440 steel material and has good ductility and high temperature strain resistance, structural stability, non-harmful elements, few surface defect, and more advantages. And the BONOSS wheel spacers have over 66 SGS and TUV test reports. All BONOSS Toyota GR Corolla wheel spacers come with a 10 years warranty, which gives drive peace of mind. And the BONOSS also offer OEM ODM service and customization service. The BONOSS Toyota GR Corolla wheel spacers can customize complete in 1 to 3 days at the fastest. You can choose the wheel spacer size from 3mm to 160mm and the PC-DCP conversion. BONOSS has a complete Toyota GR Corolla wheel spacers production chain, offering various specifications and models. The factory is equipped with professional equipment to ensure product quality and precision, and has an effective production and logistics system to ensure timely delivery and flexible adjustments. We have more than 10 R&D staff who focus on innovation and improvement. We can complete the adjustment within 2 months after the new car model launch, and over 2 weeks for popular models. According to market feedback and technology progress, we continuously improve our products and provide personalized solutions. After more than 2,000 measurements, the installation case has exceeded 10,000 times. We have strict supply chain measurements to ensure the quality of raw materials and products, meet the needs of large variety orders, and have a good sales network in various international markets. And the Toyota GR Corolla wheel spacer surface is black hot anodizing, making them more durable and corrosion resistant, longer service life. And the BONOSS Toyota GR Corolla wheel spacers have multi-stage Hubcentric design. This design allows the spacer to be more fit on the wheel hub assembly and the wheels, thereby reducing high-speed vehicle vibration. The machining accuracy of BONOSS Toyota wheel spacers reaches a tolerance of 0.02mm, and it will be very smooth when you install it. And the BONOSS Toyota wheel spacers have full cone lug seats compared to park-on seats, greatly frosted area and safer. And Toyota GR Corolla wheel spacers are designed with disassembly grooves, easy to remove and install, improve road efficiency. BONOSS wants to provide more additional functions for the wheel spacers and make the wheel spacers safer, higher performance, and better installation experience. With that same passion for cars, we think that using high-performance parts can really up the driving experience and add more serious value. BONOSS, through your view.